Welcome back to GearFlux Garage. This is not just a car, it is a full-on hush mode revolution wrapped in absolute mystery. A shock-level luxury beast that people only whisper about in the most private of rooms. The automotive world is used to loud debuts, but the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom Prototype pulls up as a quiet game-changer, teasing the future of ultra-luxury before the world is even invited to witness it. It operates in the shadows of Goodwood, a phantom in the truest sense, existing to redefine what presence means without saying a word. Start with the exterior, and you immediately realize that the Phantom Prototype does not chase attention, it simply owns it. The front fascia has been reimagined with a Pantheon grille that gets taller, sharper, and significantly more architectural, rising from the pavement like a rolling monument to engineering. The body is massive, commanding the road with its sheer scale, yet it remains perfectly balanced, featuring smooth sculpted lines that seem to glide along the metal instead of slicing through the air. It does not need to flex speed to impress you, it flexes authority. Standing still, the car has a gravity so immense it feels like time slows down around it. Open the door and the vibe instantly switches from imposing fortress to intimate retreat. This is not an interior in the traditional sense. It is a sanctuary designed to isolate you from the chaos outside. The cabin feels like a private art gallery dipped in hand-stitched leather, rare woods, and bespoke details built exactly to the owner's specific taste. Minimalism is the key theme here, as screens stay hidden behind elegance, only glowing to life when absolutely needed to preserve the digital detox aesthetic. The upgraded Starlight Headliner turns the roof into a custom galaxy with increased fiber optic density, making every ride feel unreal. Under the hood, power stays low-key but serious, maintaining the Rolls-Royce tradition of adequacy without aggression. Rolls-Royce keeps the specific numbers secret, but industry insiders suggest this prototype likely runs an evolved V12 or a next-gen electric assist setup that bridges the gap between combustion and the electric future. The delivery is instant, smooth, and completely silent. Acceleration is not about flexing 0 to 60 stats, it's about effortless motion that defies physics. The ride feels like floating on a cloud, cutting the world off completely as if the road surface no longer exists. The tech is just as elite, yet it remains invisible until it's required. Driver assist systems work quietly in the background, scanning roads, traffic patterns, and surface imperfections before you even react to them. The suspension, steering, and braking adjust in real time to ensure the vehicle remains perfectly composed. New materials have been integrated into the chassis to boost strength while killing noise at the source. This Phantom is built to age forward, not fade into obsolescence. Market impact is simple. This machine sets the tone for the next era of luxury. Bentley and Maybach are not the target because this car lives above the conversation entirely. Pricing starts north of $500,000 and climbs fast once bespoke requests roll in. You don't buy this car, you commission it like a masterwork. The Rolls-Royce Phantom Prototype is not chasing trends, it is defining them, quietly, confidently, and without compromise. This is luxury leveled up for a future that moves in silence. Subscribe to GearFlux Garage for more cinematic dives into machines shaping tomorrow today. Which detail hit you hardest? Drop it in the comments and stay locked in for more exclusives coming soon. Right now, this channel is built for car obsessives worldwide, daily.